Note 15 unboxing. This is the brand new Redmi Note 15, Xiaomi's latest addition to the Note series, and in this video, we're going to unbox it, take a first look, and see what it offers right out of the box. If you enjoy honest smartphone unboxings, reviews, and comparisons, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming content. Now let's get into the unboxing. The Redmi Note 15 comes in a clean and minimal box with the Redmi branding clearly displayed on the front. On the sides, we can see some of the key highlights that give us an idea of what to expect from this device. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the Redmi Note 15 itself, neatly wrapped and protected. Let's put the phone aside for a moment and check out everything else inside the box. Here, we have a USB Type-C charging cable, a fast-charging power adapter, a SIM ejector tool, some documentation, and a clear protective case. It's nice to see that Xiaomi still includes a charger and a case in the box, which is something many brands have stopped doing. Now let's take a closer look at the Redmi Note 15. Removing the plastic wrap, the phone immediately feels solid in the hand. The design looks modern and premium, especially considering its price range. The back has a smooth finish with a clean camera module that gives the phone a stylish appearance. On the right side, we have the power button and volume controls, while the bottom houses the USB-C port, speaker grill, and SIM tray. Overall, the build quality feels sturdy and well put together. Turning the phone on, we're greeted by a large, immersive display with slim bezels. This screen is great for watching videos, browsing social media, and gaming. The display looks bright, sharp, and smooth, making it very enjoyable for everyday use. At the back, the Redmi Note 15 features a multi-camera setup designed for capturing clear photos and videos in different situations. Whether it's daylight shots, portraits, or video recording, this camera setup looks promising, and I'll be testing it more thoroughly in a full review. In terms of performance, the Redmi Note 15 is built to handle daily tasks with ease, including multitasking, social media, and casual gaming. It also comes with a large battery that should comfortably last a full day on a single charge, making it reliable for everyday use. Overall, my first impression of the Redmi Note 15 is very positive. It offers a nice design, solid build quality, a good display, and strong value for money. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't feel cheap, this is definitely one to consider. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts or questions about the Redmi Note 15 in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.